Welcome to our channel, where we strive to bring you the most valuable and engaging content on various household maintenance topics. Today, we have an essential guide for all homeowners or anyone looking to learn how to bleed a radiator. Understanding this simple yet crucial process will save you from potential heating issues. Without further ado, let's dive into our step-by-step tutorial on how to bleed a radiator. Radiators keep homes cozy, but trapped air can reduce heat circulation and damage the system over time. Bleeding releases air, ensuring optimal radiator performance. Regular bleeding is key to saving energy and managing heating bills effectively. Before we start bleeding, let's ensure we have the necessary tools. A radiator key can be bought from any DIY store or a supermarket. A towel or an absorbent cloth to prevent any water from spilling around. A pair of gloves. After gathering tools, completely turn off your central heating system. Next, let's locate the bleed valve. Most radiators have a small valve at the top or side. Use your radiator key or screwdriver to gently loosen the valve. Be cautious not to unscrew it too far, as this may result in water leakage. With the cloth in place, turn the key or screwdriver anti-clockwise, and you'll hear the sound of air escaping. This indicates that the trapped air is being released. Once you notice a steady flow of water, close the valve by turning the key or screwdriver clockwise. Make sure not to over-tighten it. After bleeding each radiator, it's crucial to check the pressure gauge on your boiler. If it's lower than usual, you may need to top up the system with some water. Remember to consult your manufacturer's instructions for guidance on how to do this properly. If your radiators have remained cold even after bleeding, it may be necessary to call a professional plumber to assess any underlying issues. Congratulations! You are now equipped with the knowledge and expertise to bleed your radiators effectively. By performing this simple maintenance task regularly, we hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us on 0345 3192 247 and one of our representatives will assist you on the call. They will also book an appointment with a gas-safe registered engineer if needed.